Here's how to change who can see your Reels on Facebook. So first of all, we should open main menu. Tap on three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen if you use iPhone iOS devices. If you use Android devices, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next steps are the same for everyone. Then you can basically tap on the gear icon over here. If you not see the gear icon, you just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then proceed to settings. Once you're here, tap on default audience settings. Then tap custom your current settings, tap on next, and you will see third option who can see your Reels. Tap on it. By default select public. You can select friends. Your friends on Facebook can see your Reels, and friends accept. This means hide from certain friends. You can select persons that you don't want to show your specific Reels. You can one by one select any people that you want. This list should be only from friends, so you can select only friends accept, and then tap on done to save it. When you finish, tap on save again here, and tap on done at the top right corner of the screen to save it.